Storm Door Guy here, and today we're going to be installing an Andersen 3000 series easy install full view door. Let's unbox this thing. So when you open up the box, you're going to see we have a full view door. It's got glass and screen that comes shipped together, and then there's going to be two other boxes. This large one has the door closer and the installation kit. The small one has the handle set and handle kit right there. So the first thing that we're going to do here is we're going to move this little orange spacer. You want this to be in the middle of the door because we're going to set this door into the opening, and we want the door to be balanced on that little spacer. So let's get started. Next thing we're going to do is pull out the glass in the screen here. We'll set this on the side, and then we have the glass. It's winter time at the making of this video, so we're going to install these little plastic strips. The factory's kind enough to install the big ones first. We just have to install the smaller little ones, which come in this little pack right here. Take a knife, and I'm trying to do this one-handed. So cut that little plastic off, and these are the little plastic strips that you're going to install. So when you install these plastic strips, you want this edge to be on the outside of the door. So you stick these guys in, and they snap right into place. They're kind of a pain in the neck, but we're gonna get that started, and then they just snap into place. This little white spacer you push back and pull out. Grab the other window retainer strip and snap it into place. Like I said, kind of a pain in the butt. And once you get it started though, it's super, no, it's not easy. It's just a pain in the neck. You just got to get it started. There we go. And there we don't go. So I'm going to pause this video real quick and pick up after I get this window retainer strip installed.